Hello, welcome to another practical series. In today's series, we would be solving a practical change of subject question in mathematics. Okay, so let's quickly delve into the question given to us by our consultants. Right, so series 19, make as the subject of the relation, the fraction 1 over s plus the fraction 1 over t equals the fraction 1 over u, right? So this is the question. So let's quickly delve into it. Okay, right. So based on the preamble of the question, right, we are given the equation, the fraction 1 over s plus the fraction 1 over t equals to the fraction 1 over u, right? And we are asked to make s the subject of the relation, right? So here, what we have to do is to find the LCM of the equation, right? And multiply it through by all the fractions. Okay, so the LCM is the least common factor that can multiply through, or that can go through each of the factors here, right? The STU, and the LCM, or the least common factor that can do that, is STU, right? So STU can enter all the variables here, okay, which is S, T, and U. Okay, so our LCM is S, T, U, right? So we multiply LCU by all the fractions, right, at both the right hand side and the left hand side. Okay, so we have the fraction 1 over s multiplying STU plus the fraction 1 over t multiplying STU equals the fraction 1 over u multiplying STU, right? So we do some cancellation, we cancel out. Okay, so this s would go into itself 1. Okay, it will go into this s within the STU 1, leaving t, right? This t will go cancel itself out 1. To cancel the t within the STU1, okay, leaving SU, right? This u would cancel itself 1. To cancel the u within the STU1, leaving ST, right? So we are going to have our equation to be TU plus SU equals ST, right? And remember, we are told to make S the subject of the relation. Okay, so that means we have to let S stand on its own, right? And when you look at our newly formed equation, which is TU plus SU equals ST, right? We could tell that S could be found in ST and also in SU, so among two separate variables, right? So here, right, positive SU here is a positive variable, okay, and ST here is also a positive variable. So in order to make S stand on its own. We have to navigate this SU across the equal to sign, okay, to join ST here. And when we do that, this SU, which is a positive number, whenever a positive number or whenever a number crosses the equal to sign here, right, it changes its form to another variable or another um, number, right? So this SU here, positive SU here, when it changes, when it crosses the equal to sign, it will change its form, okay, to become negative. So this positive SU will cross the equal to sign, become negative number. So we are going to have ST minus SU, right? So here, so TU equals ST minus SU minus SU or negative SU because this positive SU cross the equal to sign. And whenever a variable crosses the equal to sign, it will change its formation, okay? So even supposing this SU was a negative number and it crossed, right? It crossed the equal to sign, it would have changed or metamorphized into a positive number. So yeah, is that is it. Okay, so we want S to be the subject. Based on the preamble of the question, they are asking us to make S the subject of the relation. So here there are two like variables here, which is S, right? So we want S to stand on its own. So S can multiply T, S can multiply U. So we bring S out and we multiply it with T minus U, okay, all in brackets, right? So this S multiplying T will give you ST as shown here. This S multiplying negative U will give you minus SU here, right? So we've been able to let S stand out on its own, right? But it is not yet done because S here is not like really on its own. It is multiplying another set of variables, which is T minus U, right? So in order to make S stand alone, for it to become the subject of the relation, we have to cancel out with T minus U, okay? And whatever you do for the right hand side, you do same for the left hand side, right? So that means we are canceling out the right hand side with T minus U. That means we have to also cancel the left hand side with T minus U, okay? So in doing so, we are going to get the equation, the fraction Tu over T minus U equals the fraction S multiplying T minus U all in brackets over T minus U all in brackets, right? So we are come to do some cancellations out, okay? So T minus U will cancel itself out, okay? T minus U would also cancel T minus U here, making S the subject of the relation, right? So we are going to have S equals TU, or S equals the fraction TU over T minus U, right? And that would be our final answer. So therefore, S is the subject of the relation in the expression as S equals the fraction tu over t minus u, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video.